Hey guys, it's Ashley here, and I am at our newest listing on one of my favorite streets here in Jefferson City, Forest Hill Avenue, and I'm excited to share this listing with you. This home sits on a corner lot. You have a huge, flat, fenced-in backyard. 4 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. You have beautiful hardwood floors. Upstairs, they recently installed new carpet. Also, you have a 1-car garage as well in the basement. And it's a 1-car garage that is usable. A lot of times in these older homes, you can't find one that's usable, but this one is. You can definitely park a car in it. Just a great home. I'm excited for you guys to take a look, so come on in and take a look inside.